Come and visit our Controller Production and R&D Center. This is the comprehensive test system of water pump in the testing room. The above is our solar PV simulator. The main function is to simulate solder to test the flow and head of our water pump by using solar photovoltaic simulator. This is our motor comprehensive test system. It is mainly used to test the torque of motor. This is electric constant temperature incubator, mainly used to test high temperature and low temperature of controller. Next, let me introduce you the production process of controllers. This is our SMT production workshop. On the left is the storage area for electronic components. On the right is our entire SMT production line. Now let me show you the production equipments. This is the printing press. This is the speed detection device. As you can see, this is our Samsung placement machine. The ray flow soldering equipment. And the OE testing equipment. Next, let me introduce you the wave welding line. This is our plug-in line. The wave front welding equipment. Visual inspection station for fillet reduction welding. And FCT testing station. Finally, let me introduce you the assembly line for our controller circuit board. This is our assembly line. The aging test bench. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.